I know what the problem is. Exhaust camshaft is either out of timing, so when we put that thing back on, it's either moved, or one of the rockers is not in the right place, or it's just damaged and we need an exhaust camshaft. So now we're taking the engine out again for the second time, because we suspect that maybe the timing has moved, especially on the exhaust side, or we have a problem with that exhaust camshaft. Let's see if there's any obvious signs on this side of why the cam is not working right. With the engine out, I now need to get the rocker cover off the right hand side of the engine where we're having the issues. And once we got that rocker cover off, there was nothing I could see which was obvious causing any issues. That's unless the timing's moved. What we need to do is get it to top dead center and see if our timing kit fits on it. If the timing kit fits on it, that eliminates the timing aspect out of it. Then we know it's something mechanical. So I'm turning over the engine to get it at top dead center so it could act like I'm retiming the right hand side of it. Put the pin in to lock it in, and now head over to the right hand side of the engine and slide on the cam locking tool. And if it does slide on easier, everything is all good. Timing's perfectly in. Right, I can't see anything obvious. Like, the timing's in. The only thing we changed is we changed the lifter arms on the exhaust cam, but didn't change the actual exhaust cam. But for me, the exhaust cam doesn't look damaged enough to cause those sort of misfire issues. Done everything right, and it's not like, and if we'd done it wrong, you'd think the other side would be wrong as well, but we just copied what we did on this side over onto that side. So I can only think that the exhaust cam has had its day on this side and we should change the exhaust cam. And I'm kind of thinking we should just, if we can get that, I kind of think we should just do the other side as well. So at this point, I'm deciding that we need to change the exhaust camshaft.